Well, today we are south in Arkansas on the White River doing a little trout fishing. It's Fumbles, Elijah, and myself. We're here for a family deal we took this morning to get down on the river and do some trout fishing. I do not have very much trout fishing experience, but we're just using little power baits. It is certainly gorgeous down here. We got out here about 5:30 a.m. because they're not generating on these rivers. I'll show you in a second. When they generate water under the dam, the water rushes really fast and comes way up, and then when they don't, it really falls down. So we're out here first thing in the morning. No bites so far, but it's certainly a magical, beautiful place. Any bites? Any bites? I don't know that we want to cast away out there or what. Nothing yet. How about you?
Nope.
We gotta get something. Maybe once the sun comes up and this mist fog comes off. Man, we better not come out here and get skunked. You know? Well, the fog is starting to lift. Maybe that'll help us. Still no bites. We've got fish popping the surface. Assuming those are trout. We had Fumbles put on a bobber just to see if that might help. I don't know. Oh man, a fish jumped all the way out of the water. That was a trout. These trout are jerks. These trout are jerks. Nobody likes them. They are big jerks. These trout are jerks. These trout are jerks. These stupid trout are jerks. These trout are jerks. We need to catch one. I can feel a big skunk coming on. I don't know why we can't catch them. They're supposed to be biting. This is dumb. What do you got? From the way they're popping the water, might as well try something different.
Got these spinners.
You have that little silver one. I don't want to come spin this man and come down here and get skunked. Well, let's see, maybe this will be the deal. Assuming slower is better. Well, this sucks. Well, we should work back the other way because the sunlight's going to be over there. Oh, there we go. Got one. Got one. Yeah. All right. But I did it. It's a little rainbow, right?
I don't know. They
Looks like a rainbow to me.
I forget how to identify them.
Well, hey, that makes me very happy. That was certainly really, really fun. Caught a little rainbow, got one fish on the stringer. Hopefully old Wheezy will catch one. That was awesome. That makes me very pleased. What do you think? We're on the board.
You guys catch another one, I'm gonna go to a spinner.
The last of the fog is lifting here.
Oh wow. What happened to the fog?
It's all gone.
That happened quick.
Yeah, it did. And now Elijah's gonna switch to a little spinner after my catch. We gotta get him one, right, Wheeze?
Yes.
I was certain of a skunk. I was getting certain of a skunk. Oh, I got one chasing. I had a little trout chasing it. I'm hoping maybe that like the fog coming off and the sun coming up will help a little bit for some reason. Be kind of neat to see it rise when the sirens go off. They just start hearing sirens and then you know it's coming. I want to get on. Oh my gosh. The biggest mess ever. I have no idea how fast it's gonna come down. The sirens just went off. That means they're gonna start releasing water from Beaver Dam. So it's gonna be interesting to see what happens here. I mean, I can't imagine they're gonna not do it gradually enough to not just frequently kill people. Well, it's certainly starting to flow. It's rising. Well, looks like this is gonna be our lone fish of the day. Hold that baby up. Not your phone, the fish.
Drop my phone on the ground.
There we go. Just perfect length for us to be able to keep.
Very good snicky snack.
Yep.